The cell cycle is the series of events through which a cell grows, performs its normal functions, duplicates its genetic material, and finally divides to produce new cells. It is one of the most important biological processes because it allows organisms to grow, repair damaged tissues, replace worn-out cells, and reproduce. The cell cycle consists of two major phases, interphase and the M phase. Interphase is the longest stage and is further divided into G1, Gap1, S, synthesis, and G2, Gap2 phases. During G1, the cell grows in size, synthesizes proteins, and carries out its normal metabolic activities. In the S phase, the DNA replicates so that each chromosome is copied, producing two identical sister chromatids. During G2, the cell continues to grow, produces organelles and proteins needed for division, and checks for any errors in DNA replication. After completing interphase, the cell enters the M phase, where it divides through either mitosis or meiosis, depending on the type of cell being produced. Mitosis is the process of cell division that produces two genetically identical daughter cells with the same chromosome number as the parent cell. It occurs in body cells and is responsible for growth, tissue repair, wound healing, and asexual reproduction in some organisms. Before mitosis begins, DNA replication has already occurred during the S phase of interphase. Mitosis consists of several stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, followed by cytokinesis. During prophase, chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes, each consisting of two sister chromatids joined at a centromere. The nuclear membrane begins to break down, and spindle fibers form from structures called centrosomes. During metaphase, chromosomes line up along the cell's equatorial plane, known as the metaphase plate, while spindle fibers attach to their centromeres. In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate and are pulled toward opposite poles of the cell by shortening spindle fibers. During telophase, chromosomes reach the poles and begin to uncoil back into chromatin, while new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes. Finally, during cytokinesis, the cytoplasm divides, producing two separate daughter cells. In animal cells, a cleavage furrow forms, whereas plant cells develop a cell plate that eventually becomes a new cell wall. The resulting daughter cells are genetically identical and contain the same chromosome number as the original cell, for example, 46 chromosomes in humans. Meiosis is a specialized form of cell division that occurs in reproductive organs to produce gametes, sperm, and egg cells. Unlike mitosis, meiosis reduces the chromosome number by half and creates genetic variation among offspring. A diploid cell containing two sets of chromosomes undergoes two successive divisions, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, to produce four genetically different haploid cells. The major differences between mitosis and meiosis are significant. Mitosis occurs in body cells, produces two identical diploid cells, involves one cell division, and functions in growth and repair. Meiosis occurs in reproductive cells, produces four genetically different haploid cells, involves two cell divisions, and functions in sexual reproduction. Mitosis maintains chromosome number, whereas meiosis halves it. Additionally, crossing over occurs in meiosis but not in mitosis, making meiosis a key source of genetic variation in populations. The cell cycle is tightly controlled by proteins called cyclins and cyclin-dependent kinases, CDKs, which ensure that each stage occurs in the correct order. Cells also pass through checkpoints where DNA damage or replication errors can be detected and repaired. If these control mechanisms fail, cells may divide uncontrollably, leading to diseases such as cancer. Therefore, the cell cycle, mitosis, and meiosis are fundamental biological processes that ensure growth, maintenance, reproduction, and the continuity of life across generations. Like, share, and subscribe for more science videos.